Struggling to add an appointment page to your Hostinger site? Let me show you exactly how in under 5 minutes. It's a lot easier than you think, and by the end of this video, your clients will be able to book time with you directly from your website. No complicated coding, no third-party tools, just what's already built into your Hostinger dashboard. So here's the plan. We'll start from your dashboard. Create a brand new page. Pick the appointments template that Hostinger gives us, customize it so it looks and feels like you, and then publish it live. Simple, right? Let's jump in. Start from your Hostinger dashboard. This is the main control panel you see when you log into your website builder. Now navigate to the Pages section. You'll see it in the left-hand menu. It's where all your site's pages live, like your home page, about page, and so on. Let's create a new page. Look for the blue button that says Add Page and give it a click. A menu will pop up with a bunch of different templates to choose from. Choose the Appointments template. It's already designed to handle bookings, so you won't have to build anything from scratch. Now see all available appointment types. Right on the template, there's a button labeled Show All Appointments. Click that. It'll expand and show you the different kinds of appointments you can offer. Next, select a specific appointment to edit. You'll see an option for Show Individual Appointment. Click that. It lets you work on one service at a time instead of trying to edit everything at once. Pick the appointment you want to feature. For this example, we'll click on Intro Language Tutoring Session. Maybe you're offering something similar, like a consultation or a coaching call. This is where you make it your own. Now customize the highlighted section. You'll see some areas on the page that have a highlight effect, maybe a colored background or a special box. Click on the first highlight. Continue editing the next highlight. These are great spots to draw attention to your most important details, like your availability or a special offer. Save your changes. There's a Save button in the top right corner. Click it. Trust me, you don't want to lose your work. Now update the description text. You'll see a block that says something like, "This is a sample appointment description." You can use it to describe your appointment, from its size, weight, and color to other characteristics. Just click on that text and replace it with your own words. Tell people what to expect, how long the session lasts, or what they need to bring. Add your own details like duration and price. Look for the fields where you can set how long the appointment is, maybe 30 minutes or an hour, and set your price. This step is where your hands-on experience really pays off, because you're tailoring every piece to fit your business. Finally, publish your appointment page. Hit that Publish button. It might take a moment to process, so give it a few seconds. Make sure everything works by testing a booking. Go to your live site, find the page, and try to book an appointment yourself. Walk through the whole flow. Pick a time, fill out the form, and submit. If it works, you're all set. And that's it. You now have a fully functional appointment page on your Hostinger site. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.